Hi, in this video I will show you how to set up Razer DeathAdder mouse. So if you just bought a Razer mouse, here's how to set it up properly and get all features working. Step 1 is plugging in the mouse. Connect the USB cable to your PC. Windows will automatically install the basic drivers. Wait for a few seconds until the mouse lights up and moves normally. Now, step 2 is installing Razer Synapse. So open browser, search Razer Synapse 3, download it from the official Razer website, install and open the app. This unlocks DPI settings, lightning control, macros, profiles, and button customizations. Now, step 3 is logging in or creating Razer account. So Synapse will ask you to log in. You can also choose guest mode if you don't want an account. Once inside, your DeathAdder will appear on the dashboard. Inside Synapse, click your DeathAdder, go to Performance, adjust DPI, usually 4 to 6400 depending on model. You can set multiple DPI stages and switch them using the DPI button. Pick a DPI that feels smooth for your gameplay. Now, you can go to Customize inside Synapse, click any button on the mouse, choose what it should do, and you can assign macros, keyboard keys, media controls, or in-game actions. Now, if your model has RGB, go to Lightning and choose effects like static, breathing, spectrum cycling, or turn lightning off. Brightness and speed can also be changed from here. Now, step 7 is creating game profiles. So go to Profiles, click Add your games, and Synapse will automatically switch to your preferred DPI and settings when the game opens. This makes your setup consistent across all games. Now, in Synapse, click Support or Firmware Update if available. Install updates to fix bugs and improve performance. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.